Did you know Warren Buffett buy top quality banks when fear is highest? But why banks? Because banks control money flow, the economy backbone. Banks are not normal businesses. They are the engine of the economy. When the economy recovers, bank recover fast and fastest. Remember, banks earn from interest even in bad times. Banking business model like this, banks borrow money at low rate and lend at higher rate. For example, you deposit money in bank give you 3% interest. Then the bank use that money to give loan to others people and businesses at higher rates. For example, 10% interest. So the bank earn the difference between the gap. That gap around 7% is called the bank's interest rate or net interest margin. This is one of the main ways bank make money. Remember, crisis or not, this system keep generating cash. Also remember, government always try to protect big banks because when a big bank fail, it can affect the entire financial system. Why? Because banks are deeply connected to everything. People's savings, businesses use bank for daily operation. Companies borrow money from banks. If one major banks collapse, people panic and start withdrawing money from other banks too. This is called a bank run. That fear can spread fast and create a system-wide crisis. This is called systematic risks or fail, not just one bank failing, but the whole system becoming unstable. That's why governments and central banks like Federal Reserve and US Treasury often step in to support major banks. That's why certain financial institutions are considered too big to fail. Real example, during the 2008 financial crisis, US government rescued major banks to prevent a total systemic collapse. What we are learned from fear create massive discount. In panic, investors sell everything, even good banks, especially retail investor. So price fall but business survive. Professional investor enters here, use this opportunity and start to buying at discount. Real example, Goldman Sachs 2008 financial crisis. Buffett invests $5 billion during panic and Warren Buffett made almost $4 billion in profit during the 2008 financial crisis. Another example, Bank of America. In 2011, Warren Buffett invested $5 billion into Bank of America during a crisis. That investment grew to a value of over $20 billion, means 4x within 7 years. How to apply this as a retail investor? Next market crash, don't panic. Find fundamentally strong bank with high capital and trusted bank. Check past track record and survival ability with low valuation. That's where real wealth is created.